Today, we are going to discuss the major events in the Forex market. We'll walk through these 6 major economic events that seriously move the Forex market. Inflation, CPI, interest rates, unemployment, GDP, and NFP. So, let's start with events. Events help you anticipate market movements. By knowing when significant financial events are going to occur, you can predict potential market volatility, and it can help you manage risk more effectively. Let's start with the first one, inflation. In economics, inflation is a general increase in the price of goods and services. It is usually measured using the Consumer Price Index. Next is CPI, which stands for Consumer Price Index. It measures the overall change in consumer prices based on a representative basket of goods and services over time. CPI is the main tool used to measure inflation. It's closely watched by policymakers, people in finance, businesses, and consumers. The next one is the interest rate. An interest rate is the extra amount you pay when you borrow money. It is calculated as a percentage of the amount you receive. When you invest in something like a bond, you're lending your money. In return, you earn interest over time. Unemployment is another event we're going to discuss. Unemployment is the situation where someone is seeking employment but cannot find a job. Unemployment is a key indicator of the health of an economy. It helps us understand how strong or weak an economy is. And the next event is GDP, or Gross Domestic Product. We all know that GDP is the way to measure the size of a country's economy. It represents the total value of all goods and services produced within a country in one year. And the last one is NFP, non-farm payrolls. NFP is an employment report. It will be released every month, usually the first Friday of every month. It is very important because the NFP report strongly affects the US dollar, the Forex market, and the stock market. To sum up what we've learned today, we explored 6 key economic events: inflation, CPI, interest rate, unemployment, GDP, and NFP. These are powerful events that help traders understand market conditions, market movements, and make better trading decisions. That brings us to the end of today's session. In our next session, we will learn about market trends.